Okay, hello people. So today we're doing the lawnmower battle part 3. And he's 3 lives. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Mhm. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, now he has 2 lives cuz he sucks. Cuz I killed him. So, yeah, it's the Great Lawnmower Battle part 3. This is an epic battle. This is like the most epic battle of the century over here. Yeah, century, bro. Don't you know that? He's at Dentist Island. So we know where that is. If I'll just do this. So I'll show you guys. He's right over wait. He's at that island right there. Okay?
It's blue.
Yes, it's blue because he's a dentist. And I'm very scared of dentists. So that's why I'll throw a lawnmower at his mouth. Then he'll die, I think. Bless these nuts.
That's random guy.
Oh, that's random dude? Oh, okay. Bless you, random dude.
How much do we need again?
What? Hey! Did I get it? I think I got it. Time to put my thing lower, you know. So, we're going. Oh, yes.
Such a beautiful day in, what's it called? Dentist Island?
Yeah, because you're a dentist. We be going to Ah! Yes! Haha. Got it. Wait, guys. See what I'm holding? Wait, you can't see, but I'm like, yeah. Okay, we're getting a little. Whoa! What was that? Okay, we could still drive this thing.
Oh, let's go!
What was that?
Yeah!
Huh?
Yeah!
What? Huh?
Fire!
Guys, we're not moving. Well, what the? What the hell is? Oh wait, no. What's up?
I can't believe.
Are you gonna die? Where is he? Guys, do you see him? I don't see him. Guys, where is he? Well, time to go back to base. Okay, we'll put the thing up a little bit. Okay, we be goins. Big brain.
Hey, that's it.
You good? How's that?
It's a bit laggy. Let me change. Let me do something.
Oh,
Please.
wait, what? What did you? What? This is an epic mission. Da da da.
I see something in the distance.
What is that? Oh, God. I'm still alive.
That's cheating.
Oh, never mind.
That's cheating.
You know, guys, I have an idea. It could work.
Go. Go. Most cheapest gun I have ever seen.
Yes, this is what I'm talking about, guys.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
This is what we need.
I will defend my base.
I bet you can. I bet, bro. Bet. Shh, guys. This is an epic spy mission. Shh, guys. We gotta look at where it is. Oh, guys, look what's there. He has a thingy-mabobber.
Speed of it up. Attacking base.
What? Oh, guys, that was such a close call.
I'm an ace pilot. Nice left, we got them. I have an idea. Get back to island. Hey, when was that big giant hole there?
Guys, he doesn't know. Uh-oh.
What the? Hey, wait a minute!
Uh-oh, I think he saw us, guys.
Get away from it!
He doesn't know.
Go, go, go.
This is broken. Your base is almost destroyed. You might lose a life, Andrew.
Yeah, sure.
Did he change teams? If he
Yep.
does, wait, no, you didn't. Frick, I need to destroy it before he switches teams. destroyed it all!
No, there's still some pieces left.
That doesn't count.
Yes, sir, it does.
Submarine battle, I see.
Hey, how are you shooting from underwater?
You're just bad.
Fail.
I'm not. Oh wait, I was equipping my gun.
Abandoned ship. Perfect.
Wait, I don't have a.
Now I switched teams.
Okay, I destroyed your thing, man. You got one life. Wait, no, you have. Yeah, you have one. Cause intro.
Let's go.
I wonder what base he's gonna go to, guys. Are you going to a team yet? Go to a team, Andrew. Or yeah.
Capless Island.
Wait a second.
Green Island.
Guys. Andrew, why are you in a boat?
There you go.
Hey!
I'm going back to my home. Hey,
I was in the water.
get back to your land.
You destroyed my thing. I'm very mad.
I didn't own the
So you should just go to your base, man. Get a new base. Cause you only have one life left, so. Gotta put the thing down. It's the thing. This thing that starts with P. He's making some weird noises. I feel like he's onto something.
I got tip.
You're tipping? Or you're pooping? You don't know. Are you gonna switch teams yet, man?
I actually did.
You're still on the dentist. Oh no, he's on the wolves.
Oh, that's it.
I can't destroy your base.
Yes, you can. I made it destroy.
Oh, you can eat it. Oh, well, that's gonna be fun, Daddy. I wonder what base. Oh no, that's so scary. You so hairy, like Harry Potter.
Wait, what if I destroy your base? Does that mean I win?
No.
Okay.
Okay, it actually does. Guys. Oh God! Okay, just kidding. Hey, where's my base? Yeah, but there's nothing here.
What does that mean?
That means you should respawn it.
No. I don't know.
So then you can't win.
I won.
No, you didn't. You didn't win, Andrew.
Okay, then I'm supposed to win.
You're supposed to defeat my base, so respawn all the bases.
Oh, okay, so fine. But stop shooting me.
Okay, I'm just... Okay. But... This is my base, right? Oh, yeah, okay. We're back, paper. Okay, I'll stop being cringe. Okay, we going in Billy Bob Joe.
Yeah.
Billy Bob Joe. Oh. Billy Bob Joe. Joe. Billy Bob Joe. Oh. Hey, I ain't do. Hey, Andrew, I'm definitely not coming to you. I'm totally not coming. Hey, Andrew, your mom. Oh, God.
Die.
No! I'm still on.
Now you're dead.
Okay.
Hey, that's cheating. You your base.
Okay, I reset, man. Don't be so grumpy. You're angry. I'm hangy. You're my dad? But I have a dad.
I know you do.
He came back with the milk finally, you know what I'm saying?
Oh wow, I'm so proud of you.
I know. Wait, so if you're my dad, are you my stepdad?
Yes, sir.
You are?
Just joking. No.
Okay. Oh God. My graphics quality isn't good enough. Frick. Yes, I could see him. Yes! This. Wait, where'd my gun go? Why is my... I can't attack now. I guess I'll use this gun. But now I have to destroy my... Oh God. Hey. That's unnecessary. Exactly. Okay. Oh God. Hey, chill. Wait, I actually do. Like, it's in the water. It's still workable. It's still workable, man. The thing is, I'm in the water. So, I don't like that. Okay. Needs to get back to bait. Hey, what's going on here? You have one life, man. You're being really risky. You're lucky that I'm not using my auto clicker.
Yeah, that isn't fair, man.
I'm not using it though.
Yeah, but it's not fair because I have games.
You have games? Of course you have games. I have games.
Perfect. There's like some jets here that I need to swim.
Oh my gosh. This is so cool. Cause you are a pool. And then you just drool. What was that? Ah! I guess it's a... Wait. Uh-oh. Hey, I see you there. Yes! Come on. No! You! Wait, it's still alive. Wait, no it isn't. Frick.
How am I supposed to win?
You're supposed to defeat my base.
I already did.
No, you didn't. It's still alive.
So we jacked it.
Okay, then show me. I wish.
Uh,
Where'd you go?
I'm back at my island.
You're a hacker. Okay, guys, we'll go. Ah! What the? Boat on land? Question mark? Hey, yo. My boat won't jiggle. It falls. I want to see it wiggle. For sure. Oh, yeah. Hey, where'd Aaron go? He left, random dude. I think that makes me the winner. Oh, wait, never mind. It doesn't make me the winner. He's back. Hey, Andrew, what the hell is this?
Look behind you.
Huh? Let me put my graphics up real quick. There's nothing. Wait! Hey, what did you do?
It's pretty simple, man. I really it was very easy.
Aw, I'm mad. You won. I thought I won.
You
And
still
why did...
coach, man.
Yeah, I'm very sad. I will get revenge later. Next time.
Hooray.
Yay. Okay. Wait, why did I say yay? Because I'm going to get revenge. Okay. Well, people, like so I can get revenge. 'Cause I'm very mad. Oh, see ya. Okay. We